So originally you're from the Netherlands?
Yes.
Born and bred in Netherlands.
Right.
And how did you end up here? Kenya?
Well, you know, by profession I'm a medical doctor. At the moment you have to decide what to do with your career. I decided to go to a tropical developing country and help out. So I went to Zambia. I lived there for 5 years. Worked there as a district medical officer. And then I did my master's in public health. Then at a certain moment I was recruited by first the Dutch government and then by the World Bank. First in Washington DC. Now the manager who hired me happened to be a Kenyan.
Oh!
So after 2 years he asked, so how do you like your job? And I said, oh, I love it. But there's one thing, I don't want to die in Washington DC. And then she sent me to Nairobi. And then I worked here in this World Bank office, here for a long time. And then from there, I went to Nepal, worked there for 3 years. From there, I went back to Washington DC until my retirement.
So this is your retirement package?
Yes.
Nice. Oh, this is a nice retirement package. You retire around flowers and around Benga. What do we call this?
This is zoology, Memoria William Mikulicz. So it's in memoriam for an orchid lover.
You didn't bring all your best pieces.
No, this one I haven't opened fully yet.
Oh, really?
But
So in a week's time, it's already opened up and it has quite a number. What do you feed this with? Just
every day we spray it just with rainwater.
Oh,
And then once a week I give it fertilizer, half strength. So very weak dilution of fertilizer. This would have gotten a trophy, I think.
Oh, if the bloom was already there.
Yeah, but it's just late. But it has about 100 flowers. This one, you have to spray it at least twice a day.
Twice a day. You told me you have how many flowers?
300.
300? How do you remember? Who got water, who hasn't?
No, the plant tells you.
What do you see?
I see a dry piece of wood. They said, okay, it needs water. And since it's suspended like this, it dries out very quickly.
You had these the pump at the show, and you kept on pumping and spraying, and I'm thinking,
That's work.
what's the magic? Oh, that was not a spray.
This is Cattleya Chester. It's gorgeous.
It is. Look at that. And they all can be multiplied from this. This could be a mother plant if you wanted.
Yes, but I want this basket to fill up with the plants before I start dividing it.
Okay. You've had it for how long?
Oh, already for at least 3 years.
3 years? And this is it?
This is it.
So this would be like a miniature one?
Yes.
It's a miniature.
This one, I think you had it in your video.
Yes, I saw. Oh, that tells me that you watched. That's good. Did you like it?
Yes, it's very nice.
Okay. Oh, I love how you've done your succulents.
This is my small greenhouse.
Welcome to the greenhouse. This is Mr. Bat's greenhouse. Isn't it beautiful? It's a touch of love.
And it's green.
And it's green. When you come to the greenhouse, there's so much to observe. You're observing are the roots drying out, so that means there's no water inside the pot. And also you're looking at the weeds, and this is what you'll be looking out for. Did you hear that, guys? Yes.
That should be removed.
That should be removed, and you should come here with a what? With a pin. Because you also have to be gentle. You know, you have to be gentle. But I'm also seeing the amount of life that just this one thing is supporting.
But
Yeah. So it's not just the orchid, but you have all this.
yeah, that's moss. That is good moss.
Yes, it's
it doesn't
good
have
moss.
long. It doesn't compete with the
With the orchid.
orchid.
So I'm just saying, you know, it's a whole ecosystem by itself.
But
Wow. But then you would need to love these plants that much for you to realize, to come to that realization.
yeah.
Otherwise you'd be thinking, this is all chafu, scrub it, remove it, you need to clean it.
This is my special orchid. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spikes.
They're called spikes.
Yeah. Well,
Wow.
we usually use the word inflorescence, but that's
Yes, a mouthful.
that's a mouthful.
Okay, so we are okay with spikes. The orchid leaves are so deceiving. If you look at it, you'll be thinking, oh, don't give me that plant. I don't want it.
Right.
Until you see the flower.
Right. Now, African orchids,
Yes, yes.
like this one, is in flower, but measured in millimeters. This is another one, an African orchid. That is Diaphananta rutila. What do I say? This is not water.
This is what?
This is surgical spirit with soap. This is to get rid of insects.
I'm about to kill all your orchids.
No, they wouldn't mind it so much.
And here I was, you know, just trying to be. You need muscle too.
But do I say?
Is this your secret? There's a
It
secret.
is cinnamon.
Aha! What does it do?
So when we make a cut on a, for instance, we divide an orchid, then there's the cut surface, we treat it with cinnamon. So let's say the wound dries out quickly.
Oh,
That's what cinnamon does.
oh, interesting. So it's, but that can't be used on humans, can it?
I haven't tried.
You're the doctor.
And I'm a medical doctor.
You're the doctor.
This is an Australian orchid, Dendrobium kingianum. And in Australia it grows either on rocks or on trees.
Oh, okay. And look at this one.
Lovely Lynn.
Yes. And it's, you know, for its size, and it has all this.
Yeah, I like it a lot. When I showed it to, and I showed this plant to many people, they say, I will never think of orchids the same way.
Exactly.
But that's with many people who I show around here. They say, with orchids, we think about phalaenopsis. But there's a whole new world out there.
That's what I'm learning. Do you see this?
Phalaenopsis.
Phalaenopsis.
Ulcerima.
Hey, okay. Amesema nini? What did you say? Oh, the names will finish me.
A strange fella called Dendrobium secundum.
Hey.
And it has hardly any leaves, but it's flowering. I have one orchid that I call my orchid fashionista. This one.
Something was happening here. You had a
Okay,
wall?
now this is a Papilionante vandana. And
Okay. This
this is...
This is a live plant?
Yes.
No.
Very much. It's going to flower. This type of leaves, which is round,
Yes.
it's actually hollow.
Oh, they're hollow inside even.
Yes. This is a root. This
Yes.
is that's all leaves. So they're hollow inside, and they use it to store water.
Oh, I see.
Clever. Yeah.
Very. We have so much to learn from nature, don't we? Wow.
So they call it terete leaves. That means that they're completely round. And then there are semi-terete, where they are half round.
Semi-dilated.
Semi-terete.
I'm sorry, plant. I misjudged you. From just face value, you'd be thinking, cut and throw away. I don't blame the gardeners for throwing those things away and thinking, maybe this thing is drying, it needs soil,
That's how we bought it. You see, this is, you can see the red soil.
Oh my gosh.
So again, this one was about to die. So they put it in soil. And then as soon as you put it in a tree and give it a space.
Yes.
And let the root
hang around,
attach itself to the tree, then it'll be happy.
This is amazing. Because me, the beginner, if I bought this, I won't cheat you. I'd look for soil or something, some sort of medium. Compost. Give it compost. And cow manure.
Now, family of this one
Yes.
is this one.
Oh, look at it.
These are beauties. This is Vanda falcata.
And this is a mature one.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Previously it was known as Neophyneta falcata. And it's adored in Japan. And they say if you can grow this well,
yes,
you're royalty.
There's a royalty here.
Well, in Japan.
There's a royalty here. He has grown the orchid. This is from Japan.
Vanda falcata.
Let me read. Vanda.
Probably it says the old name, Neophyneta.
But then the Japanese should know that we have it here in Kenya, shouldn't they?
Yes.
We have it, and we can grow it. Oh! And he did it. And this is a mature plant. Unbelievable.
Yeah,
I can't.
It has
Yes.
three
These are the
new
younger
growths.
ones.
Yes.
I want to believe that the flower is just as beautiful.
It's a pretty tiny,
it's very
white and pretty small, but very nice.
At least you've seen the flower.
Oh,
so
yeah.
that means you're good at it.
It has flowers.
Loyalty. And thank you for even allowing us to just come and have a sneak preview of everything and your magical hands, I think. Like you said, you have green fingers, clearly. Yes. Green fingers. So thank you so much, and we wrap it with this beautiful flower. This sums it also. It is not an orchid, but yeah, this is what it can do to your frontage. It will welcome you, and it will say goodbye to you with a smile. Until the next time, where we go to another home, we see more orchids, and we meet new friends. How else to meet new friends other than through Plantastic? Bye. Oh, you came around too to say goodbye?